Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time of coming across my video. You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more videos. My return is thank you and God bless you. In today's video we are going to be making fried beans. I did not think of making video of it before, so I just changed my mind because I have not made fried beans on my channel. I always make red beans, which is palm oil beans. In today's video we are going to be making frying beans with tomatoes. So guys, keep watching. This is a Nigeria beans, as you can see. You know, the other beans we used to throw away the water, but this one I did not throw away because this is Nigeria beans. I bring it from Nigeria, and you can see the seed is very big and white. So you know, Nigeria beans is the best beans, and it's done very fast. So keep watching. If you have watched to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do me a favor by subscribing. I have my oil already in the pot. I'm going to be frying the stew now. The first thing I have to add is salt, because I haven't had salt in my beans, because I am making stew. That is why I did not add all salt. So first thing I will be adding now, in here we have 1 onion, I will be adding tomatoes, half bottle of tomatoes, the next thing I will be adding is I have 4 teaspoons of blended crayfish, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 cube of Maggi. Those are the ingredients I'm using. Okay, the next thing I will be adding into this tomatoes now is my snail. I will be cooking it with snail. Feel free to use any one of your choice. You can use fish, you can use goat meat, you can use cow meat, you can use beef, anyone you feel to use. Feel free to use anyone. I feel like using snail before, because I haven't used snail before, so I feel to use it. This is why I'm using it. Feel free to use anyone, it can go for it. Okay, so I'll be adding a little water. I'll be leaving it for 5 minutes because I'm going to add it in the beans. I'm not going to let the stew to be too overdone here, because I'm adding it to the beans. So in the 5 minutes time, the next 5 minutes, I will remove it and add it into the beans, because my beans is almost ready. I have to covering it now, and I will be checking on it later. Okay, 5 minutes already, and I will be taking it to inside the beans now. I will be removing the beans, putting the beans here because this was here before. Now I will be adding my tomatoes. I have to mix it until they combine together. Feel free to use tomatoes for your beans. Feel free not to use me. I always use tomatoes because I love using tomatoes. Without tomatoes, I don't really like cooking my beans. So anytime I'm cooking my beans, I love using tomatoes, which is I will just make stew. You see, even though I did not even add anything against it will look like I put oil beans already, but it's not oil. I'm making fried one. These tomatoes just make it look so lovely, and it will bring more nice taste to it. So feel free to use any one of your choice. It will go for both. Okay, I already turn it now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to be adding oil. First of all, I have to stir my oil to make it boil hot before I will be adding the oil. So keep washing. Here is my vegetable oil. I have to make it hot, very hot, before I will pour it into the beans. So keep washing. Okay, my oil are already hot. I will be pouring it. Have to mix it thoroughly and let everything combine together with the oil. My beans is ready. You can see this, my beans is very delicious. Fry and make fried beans is very nice. You can change from one thing to other. Some people just make red beans. Just taste fried beans. You will thank me later. Thank you for joining me for today's video. See you for my next video. And before I forgot, please don't forget to hit also my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. Subscribe and like. Thank you, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.